Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to unpause syncing with iCloud. All right, so first up, go and find the settings app, tap on it. Other one's done. Go ahead and go to your iCloud account right here at the very top. Tap on it. Now tap on iCloud. Okay. Now go ahead and scroll down and make sure that iCloud backup right here is turned on. Once done, go back. Go ahead and go to Save to iCloud section and tap on See All. And then manually enable all apps and features right here that you wanted to unpause. For example, I have here iCloud Calendar. I can just go ahead and tap on it and use on this phone and then click on Merge. And then go ahead and go back. Safari right here, I can sync it or merge it. iCloud Photos, enable it, okay? When you enable it, make sure that you have enough iCloud storage. Let's say you're just using the free version. Well, you only get 5 gigabytes. Okay, if you have more than that, okay, you will get, let's wait for the error right here. This exact error right here. So it says that this iPhone is storing 32 gigs of photos and videos. You currently have 5. Okay, so what you'll do is just basically upgrade right here. If you want to know how to upgrade your iCloud storage, you can go to check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. But that's just basically it. You can go ahead and manually re-enable everything from here, okay? But make sure that you don't use, by the way, the low power mode, okay? Go back to your settings right here. Go ahead over to battery, tap on it. Make sure that low power mode is disabled, all right? As low power mode right here automatically limits background iCloud syncing. So just make sure that you have it turned off. And that is how you unpause syncing with iCloud. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.